I'll guide you through Google Drive Enterprise, its hidden features, and the reality of unlimited storage, avoiding the complexity faced by corporate IT users. If you're looking to maximize your team's collaboration at a massive scale, or you want to ensure absolute data governance and compliance across your organization, and so you need to select the right Google Cloud Drive Enterprise platform, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we get into the details, let's clear out the basics. What is Google Drive Enterprise? Google Drive Enterprise is the highest, most robust offering within the Google Workspace suite, built specifically for massive organizations, global corporations, and firms in highly regulated industries. It provides advanced Google Drive hosted data storage and sophisticated file sharing capabilities. It is designed less as a simple storage solution and more as an enterprise cloud platform, a tool that focuses on massive scale, extreme flexibility, and non-negotiable data governance. It is the answer for companies that need the speed of collaboration that Google is known for, but require the legal and security rigor of an on-premises data center. With that out of the way, let's address the biggest question. Is the Google Drive Enterprise storage truly unlimited? The answer is that it's designed to be highly scalable for the enterprise. You need a minimum of 5 user licenses for the benefit to kick in, and the storage becomes pooled organizational storage. It's engineered to meet the massive demands of a corporation. Think petabytes, not just terabytes, making it one of the top features when choosing a cloud service provider for a large company. The way Google achieves this scalability is through its pricing model, which is a major difference from lower tiers. Instead of a fixed, predictable monthly fee per user, Drive Enterprise uses a usage-based model. You pay based on the number of active users each month, and critically, how much storage your organization actually consumes. This model is powerful because it ties cost directly to value, but it requires careful monitoring from IT leadership. Next, let's address security, governance, and control. The real value of Google Drive Enterprise, however, is not the storage capacity. It's the security deep dive it enables. The first essential tool is data loss prevention, or DLP. This is a crucial feature for regulated industries. DLP automatically scans all files in real time, preventing sensitive data like credit card numbers, health records, or PII from ever being shared outside of your corporate network. It's an automated defense layer that dramatically reduces human error and security risks. Next, you gain full access to Google Vault. Vault provides eDiscovery and archival capabilities. This means that if you're facing an audit or a legal hold, you can set mandatory retention policies and quickly search and export data in a legally defensible way. Such a level of control is non-negotiable for corporate compliance. Finally, the dedicated Security Center gives administrators granular audit logs, offering full visibility into who is accessing what and when across every shared file in the organization. This security suite is often leveraged alongside other Google Enterprise tools, such as Google Recapture Enterprise, to ensure comprehensive defense across all web properties. Okay, let's look at migration. Once you decide on Enterprise, you must address deployment. Large-scale migration isn't a simple drag-and-drop process. Rushing this step is a high-stakes gamble. Skimping on planning risks paralyzing entire departments with corrupted file structures, broken security permissions, and weeks of costly downtime. Even worse, one wrong move can create catastrophic data loss or compliance gaps that result in massive regulatory fines. Google provides official tools like Google Workspace Migrate to help you transition existing file shares and data from legacy systems. For most large companies, a smooth deployment of the service requires leveraging certified partner support. Well, with all these goodies, are there any top alternatives to Google Drive Enterprise? You see, when choosing the right cloud platform, you must consider the ecosystem. So, does Google Drive Enterprise have competitors that can match it for price and features? Let's examine. The primary alternative for enterprise cloud storage is Microsoft 365, SharePoint, and OneDrive. This is the natural default choice if your organization is heavily integrated with the Microsoft ecosystem, relying on desktop-first applications like Word, Excel, and Outlook, or using tools like Teams and Power Automate. While Google Drive Enterprise is optimized for collaboration speed and simplicity within the browser, Microsoft's offering provides deeper native synchronization with the Windows operating system and its productivity suite. The decision often comes down to which ecosystem your company is already committed to. For architects looking for ultimate raw cloud storage power, customization, and cost optimization, AWS S3 is the main consideration. Unlike Google Drive Enterprise or Microsoft 365, S3 is not inherently built for user-friendly file hosting or a user interface. It's a highly durable object storage service often used as a backend for applications or data lakes. While it requires significantly more technical expertise to deploy and secure compared to the turnkey Google solution, its sheer scalability and infrastructure as a service flexibility are unmatched. Finally, specialized platforms like Box and Dropbox also offer strong enterprise-level tiers. These services tend to be more focused on managing complex external collaboration flows and digital asset management. If your company frequently works with outside vendors, agencies, or partners, and needs highly granular control over shared links and expiration policies, these dedicated file-sharing platforms can sometimes offer a better user experience for that specific workflow than the broader Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 environments. To make your research easier and faster, I've gathered direct links to Google Drive Enterprise and top alternatives we discussed, along with any current free trial opportunities, all conveniently located in the description box below. If you found this deep dive into Google Drive Enterprise informative, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Google Storage video tutorials. Thanks for watching.